I'm going to show you how to install Maxton Design side splitters to your Mustang GT. So having recently purchased a Maxton Design full body kit for my Mustang GT, I thought I'd check on YouTube, see if there's any installation instructions for these at all, and I didn't find any. So I thought I'd bring you guys instructional videos how to fit these and some of the mods I had to do to get them to fit correctly to the Mustang. So first stage is I've got a couple of extra axle stands that I've got in the back there, and I've used it just to hold up the side skirt in the position which I am happy, sagging in the middle, but that's alright, I'll get bolted up. So basically it's in the position that I am happy for it to be in. So this is probably one of the easiest installs I've ever done, to be honest. It was just a matter of taking the supplied screws and just screwing them one at a time into the existing side skirt. Just making sure that you kept the Maxton Design side skirt level whilst doing this, and then finally put the last couple in at this end and then remove the axle stands holding it up, and job's done. So I'm going to go do the other side, which means jacking the car up, getting the axle stands out, taking them to the... I won't bore you with all that anyway, I'll just do that. I'll get back to you after the other side's done. So there you go, thanks for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, why not watch this one?